Thirikari ni iranĩire kururumura ukui wa reri niguo kuhuthia ukui wa mirigo na oho kunyihia namba ya mitino iri handikaga barabara-ini o muthenya. Akiaria mwena wa Naivasha, Minista wa ukui Kipchumba Murkomen augite thirikari ni racaria uria inginyitanira na thirikari ya bururi wa China kwaramia reri ya kiiriu kuuma tauni ya Maai Mahiu kinyagia tauni ya Naivasha.
Naivasha here is only 30 kilometers. If the SGR train that we use today from Nairobi terminus would end up in Naivasha, we will transport more people, maybe even 2-3 trains in a day. Then we can leave them in Naivasha and they can use now the MGR or they can use the road transport from there. That way we avoid the congestion that we face as you approach Nairobi city.
Ihinda-ini ria miaka itano yukite, mubango wa thirikari ni gutigirira reri ino ni yakinya tauni-ini ya Malaba kuhitukira county ngurani.
SGR is supposed to go to through Narok. We are already Narok anyway, through Narok to Bomet, to Nyamira, to part of Kisii, and then to Kisumu. And from there it goes to Malaba. It only takes almost, I'm told, an estimated 250 kilometers from here to Kisumu, and thereafter another 150 kilometers to Malaba.
Murkomen ni ateteire ikinya ria thirikari guthamia gicukiro kia mirigo kuuma tauni ya Naivasha kinyagia mwena wa Mombasa, akiuga gicukiro kia Naivasha no giguthie na mbere kuhuthika.
Expected that this inland container depot in Naivasha will continue being busy. There are enough investors who are now coming. You saw the site there. There's an investor who is coming with manufacture of all kind of goods, from ceramics to steel, and soon, as soon as these manufacturing plants are completed, goods will now be carried directly from here to the port for export.
Mwena-ini wake, farodhi wa China guku bururi-ini augite bururi wa China no uguthie na mbere kunyitanira na Kenya gukinyaniria Tabarira ngurani na makiria sekta-ini ya ukui.
We will keep working upon request on this project to advance our cooperation, as I said, for mutual benefit. And I believe with the guidance, the attention.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, yitagugina wa Waduro.